This is question 69 on chemistry from the 2012 IMAT. So we're asked which of these lithium compounds has an incorrect formula. I have lithium sulfide, lithium carbonate, lithium ethanoate, lithium hydrogen sulfate, and lithium nitride. So how are we going to do this? Well, firstly, we need to see that these are all ionic compounds, because we know lithium is a metal, and these other groups are all non-metals. So lithium is going to be the positive ion, and the other group is going to be the negative ion. So what is the charge of lithium? We know that lithium forms the 1+ cation. So we need to check if the charge on the anion matches the charge of the lithium to the ratio that's given, and to see if we have a neutral molecule overall. So firstly, lithium sulfide. What's the charge on sulfide? Well, we might know that sulfur is in the same group as oxygen, so it has to gain 2 electrons to form a stable anion, to form S2-. Or we might know some other sulfur-containing compounds like hydrogen sulfide, which we know as H2S. So we should be able to work out that sulfur is 2-, and if we have 2 lithiums for each sulfur, then the charges cancel out, so this one must be correct. What about lithium carbonate? So what is the charge on carbonate? We should know this is a 2- charge. And so if lithium is 1+ and carbonate is 2-, and it's 1-to-1, then this formula is going to be wrong, because this should have a -1 charge overall. So let's check the others just in case. What about this lithium ethanoate? Well, what is the charge on ethanoate? It comes from ethanoic acid that's been deprotonated. So if we've removed an H+, then the ethanoate must be 1-. And so this would match up with a lithium 1+ cation, so this is correct. Then what about the hydrogen sulfate? Well, we know what sulfate is, or we should do, that's -2. So if we've got a hydrogen in there too, what oxidation state does hydrogen have when it's in a compound? That's +1. So what would that make the overall charge? That would be -1. So this would match with lithium plus in a 1-to-1 ratio as required. Then finally, we've got the nitride. What is the charge on nitride? So we know nitrogen is in group 15, and it gains 3 electrons to form the noble gas configuration, or a 3- ion. So if we've got 3 lithiums that are each +1 and a nitride 3-, then this is correct. So our final answer is that lithium carbonate is wrong, which corresponds to B on the question paper.